Welcome back to Alma's Musings. I'm Kathy, and this is the place where I share a little wisdom from the other side of the empty nest. Here I talk about faith, simplicity, and what it means to live intentionally in our senior years. Whether you're downsizing, decluttering, or just looking for a slower, more meaningful pace, you're in good company here. So grab a cup of coffee, get comfy, and let's chat about what really matters. So today's musings might sound a little funny, but it's something I think a lot of us can relate to. I recently walked around my house with my Norwex mop, and no, I wasn't cleaning the floors. I was dusting the walls. Yep, the walls. And it all started when we notice something every time we come home after being away for a period of time. It just could be a few hours, especially when the heat or air conditioning hasn't been running. The house would smell kind of stagnant, not terrible, just musty and kind of like attic air. And I realized it probably always smells like that. We've just gotten used to it. You know how you can go nose blind to your own house, and that's what's happening. So I decided to do a little detective work. I grabbed my Norwex mop, popped on the yellow dry pad, and started dusting the walls room by room. And wow, there is a lot more dust than I expected, especially near the ceilings, in corners, and around baseboards. Even in a clean house, it sneaks in. And I have a stone home, so I'm sure I have a lot more dust than normal. Now, wiping all the walls down with vinegar and water, because that's what's suggested, that's going to be a big job for this lady. So I'm not trying to do it all in one day. I'm going to break it up a little at a time. One wall here, one room there, no stress, no pressure. Just making progress. And I need to probably focus on my closets. And that is going to be an exhausting job as well. But you know what? Maybe even dusting the walls will make a difference. It might make it feel a little fresher. And maybe even just that will help to clear the air. I guess dust stinks. So if your house has that old house smell, or if it just feels a little stuffy, it might be worth doing a quick wall dusting. You might be surprised at how much dust collects over time, even if everything looks clean. And you don't have to tackle it all at once. Just start somewhere. As always, have a wonderful day, and God bless you.